Backstory. A man brought me a motorized bicycle with a chain stuck up inside the pinion gear's cover wedged between case and sprocket. He used a cotter pin half-link and it caused pure chaos when it snagged. Here is a quick DIY fix.
Guys, I'm going to show you something, because some people need half links, and this one I'm doing here is going to need a half link. So it usually comes with a pin. You put a cotter pin through it, which is nightmare scenario, because it will snag in a motorized bicycle up in the case. So what I do is when I break the chain, I take the pin out and I push it through, and I'll put it down on something hardened metal. And if you noticed, it's flattened on the edges. So what they do, I don't know if we can focus on this. Let's see. If you notice, the side closest to my hand has like an edge to it from it being bent over at the factory. What it is when you put this down and bang on it with a hammer, after it's in the link, it'll actually mushroom out the sides of it. And that's all they do to these, at the factory. It's just a pin that's mushroomed on both sides. So that's how I run a half link in these. And I've never had one break or anything like that. You just want to make sure you round over both sides with a hammer after you put it together, and then it won't snag and stuff. And just make sure it moves freely like that, and you'll be good to go. And I always put my master link through that one, so I can keep track of it. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that. Alright, peace.